Welcome to the Thriving Therapreneur podcast, the show for ambitious therapists who are ready to unapologetically make more money, scale their impact, and build their dream coaching business. I'm Carly Hill, therapist turned coach turned CEO of a seven-figure online business. I created the Thriving Therapreneur podcast because I'm obsessed with helping big-hearted therapists outgrow the office and build successful and sustainable online businesses. So if you are wondering how you can continue to make an impact without sacrificing the life you love, welcome, Therapreneur. This is exactly the place for you. Think of it like the business school we never had. I am so excited to dive in with you. Let's get started. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the show. I'm your host, Carly Hill, and today I have something super exciting to offer you. Usually in these episodes, I'm providing gold nuggets and education and tidbits that you can walk away and apply in your business today, this week, this month, this year. But today, I am actually just going to be straight up telling you about one of the new offers that I have because I can't contain myself. And there is a limited time founder's price. So I want you to just close your eyes and imagine for a second having a full team behind you in your coaching business. You have a brand strategist, you have a niche coach, a launch planner, a sales coach, a content writer working for you 24/7 for less than a cost of just going to dinner. That sounds wild, right? What would that do for you in your business? Well, it's real and it's here. And today I'm introducing you to Carly AI. This is my personal seven-figure business playbook packaged into a team of custom trained AI assistants who can help you collapse years of your work into months. It is so freaking bomb, if I don't say so myself. My clients have been using it. Carly AI has only been available to my clients in my top tier program. I've been testing it out for months. I've been making tweaks. They've been ranting and raving about it. And now I am bringing it to you. I have built all of these custom GPTs because I know what it feels like to do it alone. I know what it feels like to want to go faster. I know what it feels like to not have the money in your business bank account to invest in an A+ team, even though you want it. You're wearing all of the hats in your business. You know having a larger team would help you move faster and easier. And delegating these skills to somebody who knows how to do it a lot better than you do. So this is why I created this. This is not just another AI prompt list like most people are selling out there. This isn't also just your generic GPT. I actually have tested my custom GPTs against just regular chat GPT, and the answers that it gives are night and day difference. I know what it's like to be in the trenches. You're staring at a blinking cursor for hours trying to write a caption. You're piecing together your offers, just hoping and praying somebody's going to buy it. You're freezing on sales calls or in emails when you're trying to handle the objection that they'll just think about it. They need to pray about it. They need to talk to their partner. They don't have the money. They don't think it's going to work for them. They don't have the time. You're chasing likes and followers, thinking that that's going to pay the bills. Like, I know deeply what it's like to be in these trenches. And my AI, Carly AI, is the bridge between the overwhelm and scalability. You don't have to hustle harder. You just need better systems. That's it. Hey there. Did you know we give away one of our incredible digital products every single week? All you have to do is leave a review for the show, then submit proof using the link in the show notes, and you'll be entered to win. Prizes include amazing resources like our passive income course, the license protection bundle, top business trainings, my best-selling book, and so much more. It's super simple, and your review helps us reach more listeners just like you. So take a moment to share your thoughts, enter to win, and maybe you'll be our next winner. And as we move into 2026, if you're not using AI in the proper way, you will get left behind because everybody is going to go faster and everybody is working smarter, not harder. There's just no reason. There is no reason to hustle harder. It's just all laid out for you. It's incredible. When I scaled my business to seven figures, it wasn't because I did it all myself. It was because I built systems that allowed me to think like a CEO. I started creating AI assistants to replicate the exact strategies my team and I use daily. I was just using them myself in my business before I even created them for my clients. When I would do one-to-one coaching sessions with clients, they're like, I ran out of questions. I had no idea we could get this much done in this period of time. This is blowing my mind, but it's because I was using all of my custom GPTs. It was trained in all of my templates, my mind. So my clients could get faster results. And again, at first, Carly AI was only for my private clients. First, it was for me, then it was for my private clients, but today I'm making it available to everyone. Everyone, you can have all of this at your fingertips for a fraction of the price. I even have a founder's price. It's $67 a month to get access to all of this. Let me tell you what you actually get access to. Because Carly AI isn't just a chatbot. It's 7 specialized agents trained in my exact business system. We have Brandy. She's the brand auditor. So she's going to help you with clarity and positioning. Nancy, everyone loves Nancy. Nancy's the niche finder. She's going to help you nail your messaging to a T. No more niche worksheets. Also, Nancy makes sure that your niche passes the high ticket test. Polly's going to help you write your perfect webinar. This is my perfect presentation. This is 7 and 8 figure earners. Use this to make conversions daily. It's going to help you present your webinar with confidence. It's not just a random webinar. It's meant to convert. Linda's the launch planner. So she's going to reverse engineer your revenue goals and map out your entire launch in minutes. She's going to tell you what to do every single day, what to post, where to post, reverse engineering how many clients you need in this period of time. Sarah's the social media copywriter. So she's going to do done for you captions. She's trained in all of my copywriting frameworks, all of my different post types. Emily's the email marketing assistant. So she's going to build full nurture sequences, sales sequences, whatever emails that you need, broadcast emails, newsletters. Sally's the sales call auditor. Super important because you could be getting a bunch of sales calls, but they're not converting because you can't overcome those objections. So this is where you're going to give Sally your transcript and she's going to help you make those conversions and improve your close rate. That's going to make all the difference in your monthly revenue. This is a huge value add to your business. These aren't just features. This isn't just regular GPTs. This is your freedom funnel. This is your avenue to go faster, to make this the path of least resistance. You don't have to throw spaghetti at the wall. There is a lot of generic AI tools out there. Carly AI is not one of them. It is trained on $4 million of proven strategies. It's built for therapists, wellness pros, coaches, service providers. It is designed to give you clarity, to give you content, to give you strategy, and to do it freaking fast. This is not just a prompt pack that's going to tell you what to type into GPT. It's actually going to do the work for you in a proven way, in a very simple way. So like I said, you can lock in Carly AI for just $67 a month. This is my founder's launch. The price will never be offered again. It will be going up. You can join month to month, so you could just try it out. You could grab a 6-month package, a 12-month package. I do have exclusive bonuses that you will unlock if you choose one of those larger packages for 6 to 12 months. I'm giving away my social media growth blueprint, my Instagram story secrets, batching your content, how to create 100 pieces of content, magnetic messaging that converts. I'm even giving away a exclusive Loom content audit with me where I will deep dive into all of your content and give you a customized review. This is so exciting. I could not wait to come on here and tell you about this. Here's the deal. If you are tired, you're tired of building your business alone, you want to collapse those timelines, you want to scale with clarity, you want to finally get out of the weeds, that content hamster wheel, this is your moment. This is your answer. Just go to the link in the show notes right now. You can join Carly AI at the founder's launch. Try it out. You're going to love it. My clients love it. And just join before the rate disappears. My love is with you. I cannot wait to give you your time back. I cannot wait to provide real support to you without you having to pay thousands of dollars. This is my gift to you to make this more accessible to you. I cannot wait to see what you create with your dream team in your pocket. Don't wait. Head to the link in the show notes. Let's build your dream business together. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you so much for listening to the Thriving Therapreneur podcast. I hope that this episode has inspired you to reduce burnout, work smarter, and see the freedom potential you have as a therapist. We would love to have you inside the Therapist to Coach Accelerator Facebook group, where we have live trainings and cheat sheets on all things marketing, sales, and adding coaching ethically and legally. I am here cheering you on, and I'll see you around.